Everybody, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a metallic cloud effect pour, and I'm only going to be using 2 colors plus my white. Alright, so I am super excited to see my results, so I'm just going to jump in and get started. Hey everybody, so the painting is all dry and I'm actually really happy with my results. I wasn't sure with only using 2 colors how it was going to turn out, but I really do like it. It reminds me of my morning coffee when I'm putting my creamer in there. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you know someone that might like it, share it with them. I do have a new video coming up. It is a review on Arteza iridescent paint, so that is really going to be exciting. Also, don't forget to be subscribed to my channel and to click the bell so you do get notified when I upload new videos. One more thing, I do have a Facebook group. It is called Acrylic Pouring with Friends. It'd be great if you guys all go and join. You can share your photos, your videos, and also maybe get a little inspiration from some of the other friends that are there as well. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.